What you doing in there, man? You getting that punching bag?
Yeah.
Okay, well hit it. Punch it. You're just pushing it. All right, here, let's grab this water hose and go take care of the business. All right? Put that on there. All right, hold it tight.
Okay.
Take it over there so we can hook it all up. Which way you going? Just let that hang. You're all right. You're all right. See that plane? Yeah, it makes a lot of noise, don't it? All right. Now, hold on, back up a second. Let me see what we got going on here. Got the hose up. Yep, we got the hose up. All right, take that part. Screw it on right there. Move over just a little bit. All right, turn the water on. All right, turn on a little more. All right, hold this. Don't spray anything yet. Turn around, look at me. Hold it tight. All right, now come over here. Right here, you see all the stuff right there in the bottom? Spray all that right there. Spray all over. So take that doo-doo. Get all up in the corners good. Spray it, open it all the way. There you go. Okay, get all up in those corners. Spray it. Squeeze it. There you go. All up in the corners real good. Right down in there real good. All right, let it go. Let's put that down for a second. All right.
I see it.
Huh?
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it.
Okay. Spray the outside of it for me. No, the outside, not the inside, the outside. Back up. Back up. Back up. All right, squeeze it. All right, let go. All right, let go. All right, now let's bring it over here and put it in the sun. Yep. Good job. We'll bring it over here to the one that's next to it. All right, set it right there. Hey, let's look at our squash things. Yeah, I don't know what these are, but they're big, aren't they?
They're big.
Yeah, hold that up so we can see. No, not the plant. The thing hanging from it. There you go. Don't pull on it though. Hold it up here, over here, so we can see. Not really sure what that is. If somebody knows, please tell us. We got another one hanging right there. Yeah, another one right there. So we got at least two.
I don't know about this.
I don't know about this either.
I don't know about this. I don't know about this.
That's all right. Okay. Let's go over here and hold on a second. You can, just hold on a second. Come here. Turn the water off though. Okay. Let's turn it.
No,
Yeah, there we go. All right, now grab your sprayer and spray away, my man.
Hey, Sergeant.
Spray that fence down. All right, let it go for a second. Let it go for a second. No, don't. Pick it back up. Hold tight. Hold tight. All right. There you go. Keep going. You gotta spray it till all the water's out of the hose. You can put it through the hole in the fence. Spray it through the hole in the fence. You can fill your boots up with water. Be sloshing around. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Clean it all up. Hey, spray some more of the fence. It needs a washing. That's it. Spray it good. You got a water hose empty? You spray the house now? Hey, spray that corner. Hey, this corner. No, look, right in here. Right in there. See all the spider webs and stuff in there? Spray it down. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Hold on. Stop. Hold it tight. All right, that's right. There we go. Get all up in there. Uh-oh, looks like we might be out of water. Try again. Aha. All right. You can put that down. Let's go over here and unscrew this. Nope, not that part. We're going to undo this one.
Okay.
You want help?
We'll send it back
We'll
on.
help. We're not turning it back on. We're going to be all done.
I do it.
Huh?
I do it.
You do it. What's the matter?